go. This is the place. We're moving again. Here, it's 15 degrees. You see, it's all the trucks that are moving during the day and at night too. See? Let's go. It's a great day, but it's cold, very cold. It's the polar vortex is here. Yes, that's Canada life. There you go. We are just going for a run-in for what we need. There you go. See? Oh, look at that big truck. I think that's milk inside.
So I won't bother with the battery today.
Yeah. Okay. That is the one. See? That will be the last thing. See, there used to be a movie theater there, but they closed already. Yeah. See, it's not working yet. The train truck is not working yet. Yeah. Ayan. This will be the last station of the train. Yeah. That's the last station. Train station of the train. Yes. See? It's not working yet. That's the train station. End of the line.